Kaya lalagay ko lang.
Kalalagay lang ni Pot. Kalalagay lang.
Ano yan?
Walang dayaan, Pot. Walang dayaan.
Ikaw.
Weak ka ba? Weak ka ba?
Tanggero ka.
Huwag ganun, Pot. Huwag ganun mag-big.
Dalawang red doors, tsaka...
Pre, para politika lang to, pre. Kasi, pre, tinago yung baso, pre. Parang ganun yung pagbotohan.
Oh, paano nangyari? Pakita mo yung baso, di makita ka man.
Explain ko lang, parang botohan lang to eh. Pre, ito yung balota. Ito yung boto. Kumbaga, pre, tinago. Tinago, pre. Nalagyan ko. Nalagyan ko ng boto.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Kumbaga, ito yung administrasyon ni Arroyo. Ito yung kay Erap.
Tanga baso yan, baliw.
Hindi, kaya nga explain ko lang.
Yung ano English nun? Ano English nun?
Ito yung administrasyon ni Arroyo.
Ano English nga?
Administration of Arroyo.
Okay.
This is the administration of Erap.
So lang.
Now, the vote is here. This is the ballot of Erap. Tinago. It hides from Garci.
Who's Garci?
Pot. He is the Garci. He gave me the ballot of Arroyo. And then, I put the ballot box.
Tanga, hindi tumakbo si Erap, nakakulong siya nun, bobo. Si FPJ yun.
Sorry.
Tangang puta.
Cut.
Ano?
Cut.
Sama.
Cut. This is the FPJ ballot box. This is the glorious admins. This is the ballot box.
Tangang boto yan eh.
And this is the ballot box. Am I correct?
Ballot box yan. Ito nga yung ballot box.
Hindi. Ito nga kay FPJ ballot.
Oh.
And this is the Arroyo ballot.
Boto yun, tanga.
Yeah nga, and this is the ballot. The votes of the Filipino people.
Oh.
And now, the FPJ's ballot hide in the Garci's place. He gave me the Arroyo's ballot. The Filipino ballots to Filipino votes to fill up the Arroyo's ballot.
Bakit maliit yung kay Arroyo?
Because we know FPJ win the presidential race.
Oh.
That's why we give him the big ballot to the glorious ballot. That's why big FPJ's ballot to small glorious ballot. That's why.
Anong masasabi mo sa pulutan?
It's good. It's good for me and it's good for everybody. It tastes good.
Pero bakit? Paano ngayon yung botohan?
The vote,
Paano may ano yan sa botohan ngayon?
I guess it takes to San Miguel.
Bakit?
Goes to San Miguel.
Yung hindi naman tumatakbo si San Miguel eh.
Because San Miguel is the
Ano?
what did you call this? The franchising beer. Because many people is drinking San Miguel. Just like
Hindi nga tumakbo si San Miguel eh.
that's why. Because San Miguel is an angel. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about?